If you have a Ring device like the Ring Battery Doorbell, you'll want to know how Ring subscription plans can enhance your home security. With a Ring subscription plan, you can record and save all your important footage, whether it's a delivery or a visitor, or just keeping an eye on things. Your Ring doorbell or camera will always have you covered. You can review what you missed, download clips, or share them with friends and family. Wondering who's at your door? Person alerts notify you right away when someone is detected. For those who love online shopping, package alerts let you know when your delivery arrives. This feature is available on select Ring doorbells. Rich notifications are another great feature with the Ring subscription plans. When you receive an alert, you'll see a snapshot of what's happening right in the notification. No need to open the app to stay informed. Remember, Ring subscription plans are sold separately, but with the added features and peace of mind they bring, they're worth considering. To get the most out of your Ring devices, check out the Ring subscription plans.